In 1859, Charles Darwin published On the Origin of Species. His critics had one demand: show us the in-between, an animal caught halfway between two kinds of creature. 2 years later, a German quarry handed them exactly that. In 1861, workers splitting limestone at Solnhofen in Bavaria uncovered the print of a single feather, roughly 150 million years old. The German paleontologist Hermann von Meyer described it and named it Archaeopteryx lithographica, ancient wing. That same year, near Langenaltheim, the same rock gave up something far better: an almost complete skeleton, feathers pressed into the stone around it. It passed to a local doctor, Carl Haberlein. The British Museum bought it for £700, a small fortune at the time. It was described in 1863 by Richard Owen, one of Darwin's most prominent critics. The fossil that looked like proof of Darwin's in-between was written up by a man arguing against him, and Owen simply called a bird. He also gave the skeleton its own species name, separate from von Meyer's feather. Untangling that took a century and a half. Not until 2011 did Zoology's naming commission make the London skeleton the official reference specimen. But look at what was lying in the slab: feathers, wings, and also teeth in its jaws, claws on its fingers, a long bony tail. 3 things no living bird has: reptile and bird in one animal, in one piece of stone. Darwin added it to the 4th edition of Origin in 1866. He called it that strange bird. 160 years on, that first feather is still an argument. One team read its fossilized pigment structures and concluded it was matte black. Another mapped its chemistry with a synchrotron and found a pattern: pale at the base, dark toward the tip. Others question whether the feather is Archaeopteryx at all. One feather, and still no agreement. And it still isn't finished. In 2025, researchers described the 14th known Archaeopteryx, the Chicago specimen, at the Field Museum since 2022, the smallest ever found, about the size of pigeon. It preserves something no other specimen had: tertials, the long upper arm feathers that close the gap between wing and body. Without them, air spills through and lift is lost. Their conclusion: this animal really could fly. A fossil that turned up 2 years after Darwin's critics asked for it. And 165 years on, we are still arguing about its color and still finding new anatomy in its bones. Follow for more real stories from Deep Time.